Hi guys, welcome to my channel for another video. If you have not seen my previous video, so please check the description and click on the link to see the video. Hi friends, in our last video, we did able to build an function which allow admin to cancel an order and then issue refund for the user. In this video, what we will going to do, we're going to create an additional confirmation for admin. So then when he click on cancel order, it will pop up with another alert message saying that if admin really want to proceed with refund or not. Let me show you what I mean. So let's go ahead and click on order history. So I'll go ahead and get an order for today. Let's say I'm going to load this one, $1,063 for Jahan here. So click on view details. Let's say the admin wants to update this order, right? But for some reason he click on cancel order, right? And it did cancel the order. You can see when I click on it, it did cancel the order and refund it, and admin didn't see any kind of confirmation before confirming that he really wants to cancel. So to protect that, what we're going to do, we'll go ahead and use javascript function which allow admin to see an confirmation alert, so then he really wants to proceed with that order or not, right? If he say okay, then cancel will proceed and then refund the fund, right, to customers. Or if he have a choice to cancel it, he can cancel it. So friends, go to our Visual Studio. So this is our cancel function, which we did build in our last video. If you haven't seen it, please go ahead and check our previous video. So friends, in our previous video for product controller, right, we also did implement a delete function right here. So what it does, it allow user to see alert message before completing the delete process, right? So what we're going to do, we'll go ahead and copy that JS file for showing the alert before deleting it. So let's open product.js. You can see this function, right? I'll copy this and paste it to our validate shipping input JS file. So just copy and paste it here, right? And then here change this name to refund issue, okay? And then here you see click OK if you want to refund the order. If click OK, it will not revert back again, okay? And here I will change this to will refund and then this is the Ajax function. We receiving URL when user click on cancel button. So let us go back to our order detail page. Let me break it here. So this is our cancel order button, right? I'll go and copy this to our order detail page from here, right? As you can see, so here is not going to item.id, it's going to be model.orderheader.id here, okay? So what we also need here, we not need this over there, we also not need it here. Also remove this line also. So here change this function name to refund issue. So this function name and then the function name here under the shipping input should be same, okay? So let's go back there, make sure we copy correctly, okay? Now we need to also change this order here, so it should be order controller, and under that order controller we have cancel function, right? And then we are passing the parameter to our cancel function. So when user click on cancel order, it will go over here, right, with the URL we will receive from that view, right? And then if user click OK, this will return true, and then it will go here, right? This type would be delete, and then we know the URL from here. It will go ahead call our controller, which is order controller, right? Then we have our order ID here. We'll receive it, and then here. So here we need to send JSON, right? So I'll go to product controller, copy this line here, and then go to order controller again and paste it inside this, okay, and then here paste it with this line, and this should be success equal to false here, and then here I'll do refund failed, refund successfully. So let's change this to async function. Type here await wait, and then we do have async function. So here you do see parameter is order ID. Just remove order from here, right? Remove this one also. Let's go ahead and stop our project and then rebuild it. Run the project. Log in here. I'll log in as admin. Click on submit. Let's click on order history. So we do see we do have multiple order. I'm gonna check the pending order from here. Let's see, most recent order is 1218, right? And I do see to let's open this order, and we do see we have a cancel order option, and then we also have a option to update in process. Let's do update in process. So now you can see the current status is in process and payment status is paid. So I'll go ahead, click on cancel. Right before I do that, let's open our validate shipping input JS file. I'll put a one debug point here. So go down here, make sure you do put a bracket over here, right? Because it has to have a closed bracket over here. So click on save, refresh it, click on cancel to see if it did hit on our debug point or not. So I do see it did hit on our debug point, and you can see the cancel order ID is 1038. So let's go to our controller. We do have a debug point here, right? Let's click on continue. So now you do see we have a alert message here saying that click OK if you want to refund the order. If not, the user can click on cancel. So if I click on cancel, you do see nothing happen. Let's go ahead and click on cancel order again. Let's click continue. We do see the alert again. We will go ahead and refund this order. I did click OK. So now we did hit on our order controller, and we should have order ID which is 1038, right? So here you can see we did load that order, right, with this ID. So now I'll go have one debug point here, and one is here, right, and one is inside of that. So I'll go click on continue. So you can see it came inside here to create a refund to a Stripe, right? If you haven't seen our previous video how to refund using a Stripe, and then how to implement a Stripe integration, please do see my previous video. I'll put all this link in this video description. Click on continue. So now we should see an alert. You can see there, right? And it did updated the status, say refunded, and then order cancelled. Okay, we did able to implement issuing refund using a Stripe payment gateway. So friends, click on order history again. So you can see, friend, over here list of the orders. So let's say if we have millions of orders, then it will display over here. So we do not want to have things like this. We want to display around like 20 orders on this page, and then we can have pagination. We can use search by total price, search by status, or search by name. So then user can search a transaction using the search bar, right? So then we do not see all the orders at the same time. It is not going to be efficient for our system also. So in our next video, we will go ahead and use jQuery data tables to implement a search functionality and then the pagination. So then we only will display 10 or 20 orders on one page, and then user can click on next page to load the next 20 orders from our database. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next tutorial. Please do share, like, and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Bye.